Alright, so 2021 Platinum Hobby Box. What I want to do is compare hobby to retail. So in Canada we had a huge sale on Black Friday for blasters of Platinum. They were half price. So I picked up 8 of those. So 4 blasters would be the equivalent amount of packs to what you get in here. However, the autograph odds are not guaranteed, obviously, in the blasters, and in this you tend to get lower numbered parallels for the most part. That being said, I'm gonna make another video comparing the two, but I did notice you do get a lot of parallels in the blaster boxes. So let's see what happens here. Hopefully we get a good auto. We'll see what the better value is. So basically, 8 blasters cost me slightly less, I think, than a hobby all in. So that's pretty good. Let's see. Get this off. All right. Not sure where the auto is going to be in here, but we'll just get it whenever we get it. I'm not going to save anything till the end. Oh, a few crunched packs, which I'll do first. Okay. Let's start. Okay, this is the one that was kind of crunched. Sweet selections of Velarde. A marquee rookie of Kurashev. And a Hellebuck. I do like the design this year. Okay, we have a rainbow coming up of Brock Besser and a rookie of Steven Lorentz. I'm gonna sleeve any good cards just because I don't want to get any scratches. Sleeve as I go. It's like a retro. Oh, it's a good one, McDavid. Nice. I wanted that one. Okay. Again, I'll say any cards that you really like, you should always cut this top right corner on your sleeve. Have a few set aside like I do, just to avoid catching and damaging the corners. If you plan on ever grading a card or anything, I highly recommend it. Not that I'm going to grade that one, but I still like to do that. Alright, now we have a Krejci Sunset, Barzell, and a Soderstrom rookie. I noticed the blasters I was getting about 5 parallels on average. So I'm talking like not including rainbows. One numbered would be the average per blaster. So you're getting like sunsets and the blue wave. There's a rainbow Dylan Cousins. That's pretty good. I'll sleeve that one. I'll take glare. So once I'm done this video, I'll make another one comparing the hobby and the retail. I guess it all hinges on who your auto is what I'm thinking. There's a Nuge. It's an Oiler retro box. Jake Ottinger and Mikko Rantanen. He had a hat trick last night, I think. We have an auto. I think it's Morgan Geeky. That's not horrible. I don't mind him. Okay. I think it's just a base. Yeah, no rainbow. I do like this design. It's not bad. Could be worse. Gabe Velarde. Brad. And Jesper Bratt. In the past, I've gotten more than one auto in a Platinum Hobby box. Not likely, but I've got one like that before. Now we're hoping for a lower numbered rookie of some kind. Latunov rookie retro and a Romanov. That's cool. Alright, about halfway here. We have a rainbow coming up of a rookie, and it's Peyton Krebs and a Broberg. I'm going to sleeve this one. Oh, actually, what am I saying? Rainbow. It's a sunset. Even better. Not bad. I think it's an aquamarine coming up. Kessel, Aho, retro, and a Roman Yossi upside down. And those are $4.99. That is $4.96 of $4.99. I'll sort these later. Okay, I think we're halfway now. Okay, Darlene Carter Hart Rainbow. That's pretty cool. Elias Pettersson alt, very slow start this year. And Martin Kaut. Yeah, Pettersson's getting pushed around. He needs to muscle up a bit more, I think. Okay, there's something yellow or gold. I think it's a gold, which is awesome. Hopefully a big name. Brad Marchand. It does look good with the color match, though. You gotta like that. At a 50. 23 of 50. That's cool. He's such a pain in the ass, but he is a good player. You got to give him that. It's nice to get a low numbered card of a decent name anyway. Okay, what else? Looks like a photo finish, and it is Ty Dellandrea. I find the centering is all over the map. You can see these things on the top and the bottom. Lidstrom rookie and a Barkov. Okay. I think you get one matte pink. I think you get 2 sunsets per hobby. Okay, we have Horvat, Huberdeau, Barkov, and Liam Foudy. We have about 5 or 6 packs left. Rainbow of Panarin. He's having another good year. He's great. And a Brady. Comes a yellow, I think. Tracks, I think. Yep. Bobrovsky having a good year. 85 of 249. And a Nick Robertson. None of the real big rookies yet. Okay, we have a Alex Alexiev rookie rainbow. That's okay. We have a Werenski and a Sharon Govich. Okay, 3 packs. I can tell already the retail, you get way more parallels. Rainbow of Couturier, Gallagher, and a Sorokin. There's a good rookie. I'm going to sleeve that one. Saw some quality control issues. This box seems to be fairly good. A little bit of off-centering here and there, but I don't see too many print lines or anything. Seems okay. It's typical with Platinum. They don't seem to be very bowed. Maybe that comes in time. Cards kind of curve, warp. I think it depends where they're stored. Comes a, maybe it's a pink. Yep. Alexander Yellison retro rookie and a Jonathan Taves matte pink, which is pretty cool. And a Nico Hischier. So I will sleeve this Taves, and we have 1 pack left. We have a Best in the World of Sebastian Aho and a Mikhail Berdine. Speaking of print lines, that on the left side is pretty rough. Alright, so at first glance I can tell you right away, I'm going to spoil it a little bit. The retail, you will get way more parallels. It comes down to, if you get lower numbered cards like this and your autograph, does that make up the difference? That's what it's going to come down to. All right, stay tuned.